Assembly witnessed a political development on Wednesday as the 4-day-old TVK government led by Chief Minister Joseph Vijay comfortably won a trust vote with 144. The result was significantly influenced by cross-voting within the AIADMK, where 25 MLAs belonging to the CV Shanmugam and SP Velumani faction broke ranks and supported the ruling TVK, while 22 AIADMK MLAs aligned with party leader Edappadi K Palaniswamy voted against the government. The split marked a major internal setback for the AIADMK and came amid allegations of horse trading by the opposition, which the government denied. During the session, the DMK holding 59 MLAs in the 234-member assembly walked out of the proceedings. Meanwhile, the PMK with 4 MLAs and the lone BJP member refrained from voting. The trust vote also saw support for the government from several other parties, including Congress, VCK and the IUML, as well as MLA S. Kamaraj, who had been expelled from the AMMK for backing TVK. Just minutes before the voting, AIADMK leader Edappadi K Palaniswamy issued a whip directing party MLAs to oppose the motion. However, the Velumani and Shanmugam faction defied the directive and voted in favor of TVK, strengthening the government's position. Chief Minister Joseph Vijay, addressing the assembly during the floor test in Chennai, stated that his government would remain secular and continue welfare schemes initiated by previous administrations. The trust vote highlighted changing political alignments in the assembly as the new TVK government begins its term. So viewers, what will be the biggest challenge for the new TVK government in maintaining unity within the assembly after this trust vote? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.